Talofa family, malo lelei, pula vinaka, kia rana, kia ora, and kirei mate. Welcome back to our cook-up time with Samoan chef. Yeah, malo seifua, malo ngandua niyaso. Yeah, what's cooking today? Sole mangaya voila singa fishy chips. Who wants some fishy chips today? Alrighty. So I was up in Greece for a couple of days. Kelo, coffee, eyes, fishy chips. So I Google it. I'm like, hey, the best fishy chips in town. So then I come across two of them. So I was like, okay, so mealanga and luala kako fishy chips. But I'm gonna show you one of them. So let's go to Go Ghost today and follow. Woohoo! Yeah, I'll go fish. Now we look at the fish. That's a snapper, or they come snapper gamanya. Yeah. Also we have these fish bites, and that's sashimi with soy sauce. That's yeah. All right, yeah, la kako kang ila yepe mga yung fish chips yung cocos. Let me just dip in. Yeah, they'll come kako fish and chips. Let us get into the chips. Nice and crunchy on the outside. I very soft the kong. My tartar sauce there. Basta mangungnya dia tartar sauce. You taste that? Dia mangungnya la uwa. Bang, ini chips. Mana boleh nggak size one? Hey, crunchy. My very soft kong. But the chips is nice. Alright, let's get into the fish. Only mga fish. You need taste more better. But taste a little kong or snapper. We ordered a snapper. It was $16. Okay. Alright. And then if you can see that puppy.
What?
But let me just taste it. There you are. The snapper is nice. I tasted it with snapper. Oh wow. There you are. I can little fish. Today, my chips or the fish. Big man. The chips is nice, crunchy, soft on the inside. How consider like this yellow apple? That's the sauce. On yellow. Oh yeah. I think they put too much fish sauce somehow. I don't know. But yeah, but the fish. Look at that. Oh wow. Right, it's a little bit, that's a lot of meat. My, the size of life phone there, it's 14. Check that out. Right. Holy, this fish is bigger than the bloody iPhone. Well, I just ate the top part anyway. So anyway, how's your and also we ordered these sorry, these there are salmon. I thought they're not just normal bite. Remember I showed you the salmon. Oh, but I never. Man, you for the cost the better. Iya lah, mo kamay mo fish bite like you. Mo le samangi, but nice and fresh. Alright. Oh. Alright. Rất gì là samangi luôn. That's nice, eh? The fish, guys, very nice. Very nice. How's your sashimi? Yeah, she ordered a sashimi. How much was it?
12.
$12?
喂，这里面这里。
Why? Yeah. Mga yele ni samangi. Well, like I said, you know this little bite, fish bite. So the alpha was just normal pasta. Now delicious. I just wish the batter was a bit maybe more crunchy, but it's really nice. It's really nice.
What the hell?
We pay $16 for the fish and chips. To me, yeah, worth $16. Even this fish bite was $10 there. You know, it was good because they're not normal. They salmon. So $16 snapper with chips and lemon. Nah, tricky. Because most of the fish and chip shop they use oh, there you go. I've got some bread. I'm gonna put this.
Oh, you should make more try it.
Put it on the bread.
It's avocado.
Some of this.
No, it's really far.
Yeah. I don't know if you see it though. Oh, even better with the bread, man. Like a fish burger.
You wanna try it?
But I'll tell you what, 좋은 거 알아? 뭐야? Quality was on point. I got my fish was fresh. Chips was good.
This spicy.
Tartar sauce was but overall worth $16. So
mint. Sorry.
so yeah, that's it, man. Nice. That's it for today, guys. Okay, guys. Yeah, I'll just give it a 8.5 because that tartar sauce was a bit yeah. But if you ever come to Gold Coast, come down to Southport Park Shopping Center, you can try out the sushi factory. The name was really catchy when I looked up on Google this morning. So yeah, but they have sashimi, they have all fish and chips. But I'll just give it a 8.5. Reason why? Because the tartar sauce was a bit the fish was beautiful. I just wish we would put maybe I shouldn't just tell them to leave it on deep fryer for a bit longer so I can get that better crunchier. But yeah, because I do fish and chips at home too, so I know the longer you put it in the oil, the crunchier become on a batter. But anyways, so if you do come down in Gold Coast, come and check these guys out. Yeah, very fresh. All their stuff is fresh. Anyways, we'll see you next time, guys. Samoan Chef, sign out. Hello.